Meaning of forefather.
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 Forefather. The term forefather refers to a male ancestor who lived in the past and is considered an important figure in a particular family or society. It implies a sense of respect and honor for those who came before us and paved the way for our current existence. The forefathers of a nation often refer to the founding fathers or key figures who played a significant role in its establishment. In essence, the concept of forefathers represents a connection to our past and acknowledges the contributions of those who came before us.